Well, this is the video that I made for G-Dragon. I am the biggest. Well, I'm not the biggest, but I am a fan of him, and I would like to show that I really like this music and also this song. Well, I will show my favorite video, Crooked of Giddy. I I usually listen and for so many times I repeat and repeat this song and see the video also. It's very exciting and the music feel like you are free. You can do so many things. You don't depend on nothing and you are able to do all you want. And this song is called The Dam. This is the principal song of this album, and is the this is the new album of G Dragon, the second album of G Dragon. I would like you like the video. Thanks.